Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve one side of the Rubik cube. It can be any color you want. So right now I'm just going to scramble this up really quick. One second. Okay guys, I officially scrambled it all. So what you have to do is make like a little square. So you need to have this at every color. So on the side you want. So now what you want to do, so you want to do, let me just do something. So you want to do this, 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 this. And then like, you probably will have a cross. Now what you want to do is do dot, 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 dot. No, 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 no. And then you want to do that until you have a little square like this. So you should have to finish this like this in any color. So then you're just going to keep doing the same thing. That's why it's just and so you're going to keep doing that until you have another piece here. So you should have the first two layers. So let's keep doing that. I hope it works. And this is a really easy tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. Because we're staying at home because of the coronavirus. Yeah, let's keep this. So I'm just going to start doing it really quick. You might just wanna, so you guys, you might just wanna, skip to the video so you have it. So I'm just gonna start doing it really quick. I promise you it won't take that long. Boom! Got it. See, we're getting closer. Getting closer into my face. Okay, so when you have this, you're going to do this. So you're going to try and do that. And that. And then you just have something just like that. And if you don't, then just try and solve the top layer. So this is how I normally do it. So which one? So we're going to do, so you have that. You're going to do this with that. And then you just like that. Then 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 that. Okay. I'm going to use this like that. 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 Okay, so you have to use this like this, okay? Then, so you just have to use this like this. Great! You should have this. Yeah, okay. So let me tell you what. Do that. And then you just have this on top. That. Then you want to get that. Then you're going to do that. And do that again. Boom, boom, boom. So you have that. The other thing is just like this and that. So if you don't have that, you might have did something wrong, or like, I don't know. Okay. And leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications and like I'm only 7 and I can do this. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's keep doing that. So you know. Okay, so I just did that for a little, like one time, like 2 times, and then I have to do it to fix it. Now what you want to do is put that up, and then you should have to lift it like this. Yeah, I think it's so. If you think I did something wrong, because you're the one that's wrong. I'm doing this right. Oh, I'm doing it right. Okay, excuse me. So when you have that, yes, when you have that, you do that, you press something like that. So you have that. Then that still, that's pretty good still. Pretty accurate. Don't mind that now. That's just my uncle. Yeah, I don't have enough time to use a stick, so I'll, like, just want to tell you something. Okay, I don't have enough time. I have to go now, and I'll see you later. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn the notifications on you so you know when I upload a new video. Bye! Bye.